Hey everyone, need to study smarter? Lumio AI makes it easy to highlight and annotate your PDFs directly inside the platform. Here's how you can do it. First, go to Lumio AI website and log into your account. Then here click the upload button and select PDF file if you want to work on. And once uploaded, open the PDF inside Lumio AI's viewer. Then here select the text that you want to emphasize. A toolbar will appear. Choose a highlight option to mark it. And click on Annotate or Comment option to add notes, explanations, or reminders linked to specific text. Then after highlighting and annotating, save your document. Your edits will remain accessible anytime you open the file with Lumio AI. And that's it. With Lumio AI, highlighting and annotating PDFs is simple, making your study sessions more effective and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.